Today's topic for discussion is a topic of plant pathology, that is pineal stage of rust disease of wheat. The rust disease of wheat is caused by a fungus which is known as Puccinia graminis form species TTC. This fungus, it is a heteroecious fungus but because that requires two host plants, that is wheat and barberry. And this fungus produces 5 different types of spores during its life cycle, hence it is called as polymorphic fungus. The pineal stage is the one stage of this fungus, Puccinia graminis, and during this stage of this life cycle of Puccinia graminis is also known as spermogonial stage. As already stated that the basidiospores are capable of infecting only the alternate host which is known as barberry. On the alternate host, the basidospores germinate and produces a germ tube which is small promycelium and which enters into the host through the cuticle or through stomata of the host epidermis. And the germ tube, it becomes branched and develops into the intercellular space of the host. And host of the basidiospore, it is barberry plant, barberry leaf. And it produces the basidiospores which are produced on the by the germination of teletospore. Teletospore germinated and a promycelium is developed. On the promycelium, basidospores are developed, and these basidospores are of two types, that is positive strained and negative strained. The positive strained basidospore generally considered as male and female, and the basidospores which are negative strained, they are generally considered as female. Both the types of basidospores, they germinate on the leaf of the barberry leaf and they produces monokaryotic mycelium. And this mycelium, it is initially intercellular, and this mycelium produces hostoria into the host cells and get food from the host cell. The nucleus in the monokaryotic mycelium carries either positive or negative factor as the parent basidospore happens to carry. However, both positive and negative strains of mycelium may be present on the barberry plant, and that due to the simultaneous germination of both strains of basidospores on barberry plant, few days after infection, two types of fruiting structures are produced on the barberry leaf, that is the spermogonia and acia. Pycnia or spermogonia are produced on the upper surface of the barberry leaf. Pycnia or spermogonia are flask-shaped structures which open by a small pore-like structure which is known as mouth, or it is also known as ostiole. These bear sex organs. During the formation of pycnia, a mass of uninucleate hyphae aggregate beneath the epidermis. From this mass of hyphae, a number of hyphal branches originate which converge towards the common point, and these form the primordia of pycnia or spermogonia. The outer spermogonial wall is soon formed surrounding a central cavity. In this cavity arise many spermatophores, each of which cut off spermatia at its tip. These are later released through the ostiole, and the spermatiophores are the male sex organs and spermatia are the male sex cells in the same spermogonia. Adjacent to the ostiole, receptive hypha develops. These are long and pointed and come out through the ostiole. These form the female sex organs of Puccinia and intermingled with the flexuous or receptive hyphae are present paraphysis. Okay, this is the pycnial or spermogonial stage of Puccinia graminis, which causes wheat rust disease, and this is all about pycnial stage.